The Kia Tasman has been a hot topic in the pickup world since its debut, earning attention for its bold styling and ambitious positioning in a territory dominated by seasoned rivals. But now, the Tasman is making even bigger waves thanks to a full suite of off-road upgrades from Australian off-road specialist ARB. With real prototype photos and fresh details now available, we're getting the clearest look yet at how the Tasman can evolve into a serious off-road machine, ready for the toughest terrains. ARB has built its reputation on creating rugged off-road accessories engineered specifically for the challenges of the Australian outback, and its partnership with Kia shows how committed the brand is to tapping into the aftermarket potential of its first-ever pickup. The star of the upgrade lineup is the Summit MKII Bar, a heavy-duty front bumper replacement that delivers serious protection for the grille, fenders, and headlights. Beyond the armor, it integrates LED fog lamps, daytime running lights, clearance lights, and sequential indicators, all packaged in a design that not only enhances safety, but also gives the Tasman a commanding, aggressive stance. Looking along the sides, the prototype features tubular steel Summit side rails and matching steps that boost durability and off-road practicality. The rear is equally impressive, thanks to a MITS alloy canopy setup. Offered in multiple sizes and configurations, the canopy can be customized with interior modules, storage packs, and even adventure-ready components. In the showcased build, the canopy includes a rear ladder, a full-size spare carrier, and a modular base rack that can hold solar panels for off-grid travel. For those planning more expedition-style journeys, ARB offers a comprehensive lineup of overlanding and camping gear. From modular drawer systems and slide-out kitchens to roof tents and awnings, the Tasman can be transformed into a rolling campsite capable of supporting extended adventures deep in the outback. And for tougher off-road missions, ARB equips the Tasman with Old Man EMU 4x4 suspension featuring heavy-duty MT64 shocks, beadlock wheels, and aggressive all-terrain tires. Winches, recovery boards, and air systems are also available for drivers who push their trucks into extreme conditions. Under the hood, the Tasman retains its factory 2.2-liter turbo diesel engine, producing 207 HP and 440 Nm of torque, paired with an 8-speed automatic and a capable 4-wheel drive system. While ARB doesn't touch the powertrain, Kia provides plenty of factory accessory choices, including snorkels, fender extensions, sports bars, roof racks, and rugged bumpers. Kia's strategy is clear. Build a truck that can grow with its owners. Whether you're a weekend explorer, a worksite professional, or a hardcore off-roader, the Tasman offers endless configurations. The Tasman Weekender concept hints at an even more hardcore variant on the horizon, possibly rivaling the Ford Ranger Raptor. Kia also plans to expand the lineup with hybrid and electric powertrains over time, ensuring the truck remains competitive through a long life cycle.